Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman, and this is Stuff We Love. I've got 3 new products for you, and I know you're gonna love them. So the first product I have for you guys today is Ryobi's Hybrid LED Color Range Work Light. It's great for pros and DIYers alike, whether you are painting to get that color perception or you just need to shed a little bit of light on something. Now I like it because it's got this dial on the top that lets you go through the range of color temperatures anywhere from 5,000 Kelvin to simulate outdoor daylight or 2,700 Kelvin to simulate indoor light. It's also dimming. So if you push it once, you've got really bright, nice light. Dims down with a second push. A third push makes it really dim, and you can turn it off that way too. Now, it's run by Ryobi's batteries, and if you don't have a battery, that's okay, because you can still use an extension cord. You can also use any of the other Ryobi batteries if you've got other Ryobi tools. You can mount it onto a tripod, or you can throw a few screws in the wall and put it on the wall, and then you can point the light any direction you like all the way around, and then hold it in place with this tension knob. So they're $80 at home centers or online, and remember, that's the Ryobi Hybrid LED Color Range Work Light. So next up, I have these Keen's San Jose 6-inch work boot. Now they are a great all-around boot, whether or not you are on the job site, climbing up ladders, or if you're just taking your dog for a walk. Great, comfortable, light, all-around work boot. Now they've got these leather uppers that are waterproof that don't have any break-in period whatsoever. I took these things out of the box and they were comfortable right away. No weeks and weeks of working them in. Right away, they were super comfortable. Now, I don't know if you like the wedge shoe, but I am a big fan of this wedge sole. It is oil and slip resistant and all around just great comfort out of these things. Another thing that I really like about these is they just look awesome. You know, you can wear these to brunch, wear them to church. They're just nice all-around work boots. These are the soft toe versions. If you do need a safety toe, Keen makes a version with an aluminum toe. They keep them really nice and light, but they also provide that protection that you might need. Now these are $155. You can find them online or at any Keen retailers. Again, these are the Keen San Jose 6-inch work boot. Now last up, I have this Bostitch Strap Shot 250. Now whether you call it a positive placement gun, a hanger gun, or a metal connector gun, it is a great tool for pros or someone who is really serious about framing and having to attach lots of framing hardware. Now this is the 250. It shoots 1.5-inch and 2.5-inch nails, but they also make a 150, which just shoots the 1.5-inch nails. Now it is a pneumatic gun, so you need a compressor. It's nice and compact. I just built a deck down in Florida with this, and there were some tight spots that I had to get into, and this is about as compact as you can get for a hanger gun. I had to install 64 joist hangers on this deck, and this made it go by in about an hour and a half. If I were hammering or screwing those things, it would have taken all day long. Another few things I like about this is that it's got a joist hook here that you can, when you're busy or need to do something else, hook it on the joist and it's there when you come back to it. It's got an exposed nail, which helps you locate exactly where that nail needs to go when you're framing in your framing hardware. So I got this thing for about $280 at the home center, and I think that's a great price for something like this. You can also get it online, and remember, it is the Bostitch Strap Shot 250. So that's it. 3 products that we at Family Handyman love, and we think you will too. So we'll see you next time on Stuff We Love.